Here you go, folks. Hey, I discovered something really cool today. It might be beneficial and useful to some of you. So I'm going to show you what I discovered. For some of you, this might be old news, but for me, it's pretty cool. So the problem is I want to take part of this post that I did for LinkedIn, and I want to use it for my Instagram. So the problem is that when you're working on your desktop, is not you don't have the options to upload video or images. So here's how you can quickly get around that. Just right click. I'm in Google Chrome just for your reference, but if you right click and get into inspect, go up here to toggle device toolbar and click that twice. You're going to know in your right place because you've got the grey circle. See that? That's the developers for mobile touch points and all that sort of stuff, whatever it is they do. Anyway, so when you get that, it means you're in the right view, which is mobile. Then just refresh your page, and down the bottom you're going to see the plus symbol and the search and home, so you can just treat it like a mobile device. So I'm just going to click that. So I have an image that I want to get from my LinkedIn profile. There's my image, and I can just move that around. I don't want it up like that. I want to sort of, that's all I've got in terms of space. I'm just going to, it's out of view. So I just wanted to sort of get the eyes as much as I could at this junction here, whatever you call it, junction, to have just the focal point with the part of the face there. Now I've dropped that in, what I can do is click on next, or if I want to add filters or whatever, but I want to click on next, and here I can write my caption. So I want to sort of repurpose the other post from LinkedIn, and so I've just gone to copy that, and I've come into this window. I'm pasting all of that same information into this Instagram. Okay, so now I've dropped the text in there. I want to click on share. That's all I want to do. So yeah, there we go. It just needed a little bit of formatting help here. I'm going to sort that out in a second. That's how you do that. Hopefully you found that useful. I did. It's quite useful if I'm in the middle of pre-planning. Anyway, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.